Hello, everyone, and welcome to the premiere episode of Chef Ben.
It started reading recipes with food, that's what he did. He grabbed some tongs and turned it on, such flavors that it hid. He's got herbs and spices, he's no ordinary cook. He's Chef Ben, Chef Ben.
We got the idea to make this today because Lauren and I were talking the other day about Gordon Ramsay eggs, and she was like, "Oh, those look disgusting." And I said, "They look kind of good." So we're going to try to make them. We have all our ingredients here, including our video of Ramsay making the eggs. Alright, first things first, we need to crack some eggs. According to Mr. Ramsay, keep the heat off to start. Oh, what a terrible egg crack. Butter. Ramsay requires 3 slices of butter. After consulting the ancient texts, it seems it's about to get serious now. We're going to be hitting this sucker with the 30-second on, the 30-second off, the 30-second on, until we cook these bad boys. We got our bread toasting up all nicely in here. Stopwatch at the ready. Do our 30 seconds off. Oh, we're getting there. I can feel it. And one more time on the heat here. A little goopula still. And I know Ramsay likes his shit goopy. Now for the best part. A little cream fraiche for you.
And we're gonna top that with a little cream fraiche. Oh yeah.
Tablespoon here. You've been creme fraiche. Now that we have that creme fraiche in there, give it a little stir. Now let us top our bread. Chop up some fresh chives. Those fresh chives on there. And voila, she's done. And voila, we are done. We'll give this a little taste here, but I think it turned out pretty well. It looks pretty good. Dare I say Gordon Ramsay would be impressed.
Congratulations. On the worst dish in this competition so far.
It's very fluffy and creamy. That's a very light egg. You really got to kind of tend to it and work at it, but I don't know, that's kind of good. I don't know, first time around turned out pretty good. I hope you all enjoyed hanging out for this first episode of Chef Ben. We have a lot of possible things we could make, so we'll see what we'll kind of start making here and learning to cook, really, because I know how to cook, but I don't know how to cook. You know what I mean? Well, thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Stay hungry out there.